Guys, welcome back to the Turbo John YouTube channel. We made it. We're at the 252 list race tonight. We only had one slight problem. I had to work a little bit later than I thought I was going to have to today, so I was running late. I had some things I had to do on the car before I could get here. So I got to the track, but we missed the drivers meeting by like 15 minutes. And so basically, first round, we were supposed to race spot number 5. We're spot number 6, and we're going to have to sit it out. The car has got to sit right here for this whole first pass. And it rained. There was a shower as soon as I pulled up. So now it's late, so we might only get to make one pass tonight. Or I can just dump the 252 tonight and go make like 2 passes or 3 passes and try to get prepared for this weekend's race. So we're about to try. We're about to figure out now. They just rolled 252 up there. If it looks like another storm's coming, or if it looks like we're gonna have issues, then we're gonna head up there and make a pass or 2. We got some changes on the car. Y'all saw what we made. We got to see if it works or not. So you comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com. We got some new t-shirts on order. They will be here soon in the next week or 2. So y'all can go ahead and pre-order those if you want to, and hit that join button if you want to join us on our weekly Tech Talks. We do some live chats with a bunch of people. It's fun. We have a good time. Okay, so here we go, round 2, pairing up, throwing some money down, seeing who's going to race for what. We got Chris Kroom over here. He's got a bad car, so he's going to destroy me probably.
Let's go. His hand.
Okay, so here we go. This is our second round. We got to race this beautiful Nova. 955 cubic inches, nitrous powered with a supercharger.
400.
No, this thing's fast. It's beautiful too. It's an awesome car. He's been racing this thing for quite a while, so this thing's beautiful. So, old Rusty, and a beautiful car. So it should be a good race, hopefully. I got left lane, he's got right lane, he got lane choice. So we'll see how it goes. You know, with all the changes I made, I mean, my car, it may or may not go reasonably straight, so I may not even be able to make a full pass. So we'll see. We're gonna be careful. We're gonna have fun though. This is good. So this is Thursday. Friday they're testing at Piedmont. I don't know if I'll be there or not for the no prep race, but Saturday for sure, no prep race, Piedmont Dragway. All right, here we go. And then we got one more round after this, whether I win or lose. I'm currently spot number 6, so if I lose this one, I'll drop back to number 7. If I win it, I will stay in number 6 and then try to race up on the next one. So let's see what happens. What this thing does. Okay, guys, well, it went down, so that wasn't too bad. We did make a decent lick. Y'all can be in the video. We got some people coming up here. They're locals, and we've been talking to them.
Hey,
cool deals.
Come here and give his tow company a shout out.
Oh, yeah, he's got a tow company. What's the name of your tow company?
Ricardo's Towing.
And that's right here.
We're in Hubert, North Carolina.
How far is that from here?
About 45 miles.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Nah,
yeah,
right
it's
down
about an
the
hour and 15 minutes for
Hour
me.
and 15 minutes.
I appreciate y'all coming up. It's fun. We have a good time. Look, she's trying to hide from the camera. She's, I'm not going to be on the YouTube.
Yeah, I'll be on. I'm not afraid.
No, it's fine.
I'm not scared.
But that was a reasonable pass. I'll pull the data log now and we'll be able to see if that dump valve actually, if that was why it went at 136, 60 foot. It did squat. It did not bottom out. It made a full pass and it went mostly straight. Donkey stomped. I got to run Ron Carter again with that beautiful truck. I'm going to turn it up a little bit this time and see if it can get a little bit better 60 foot, maybe get down track a little faster. I ain't gonna be able to go as fast as what Chris Kroon went then, but we, you know, maybe we can sneak up on it and get going. Zach brought his little boy today. He's helping out. Say hi. Fist bump. You're on YouTube. He's helping. He's helping. He's gonna be a race car driver. He loves race cars. So it's a fun time. Good time. So I appreciate, we got Justin and Zach and Reindeer coming out today. So we're working on this thing. Log real quick, see what happened and see where we think we can improve. I mean, looking at the slow motion video that they got from the side, I mean, it looked pretty good. It looked left good. I mean, it was just very, very, very weak. So let's pull that data log real fast. Okay, we're up here. We just got up here, got started. This is our last round of the night. For some reason, I didn't give the data log that pass. I don't know what it run. We got to race Mr. Ron Carter. Of everybody that I've raced you the most. And so yeah, I turn it up. Did you turn yours up?
I have to get with you.
Oh, come on, I don't believe you. Hey, he just started a YouTube channel too. What's your YouTube channel?
Carter Racing.
Carter Racing. So he's just getting started and he forgot his GoPro tonight. This would have been great footage of you ahead of me tonight. I mean, I would have liked to seen it from your side too. Man, I just got donkey stomped so bad it wasn't even funny. He run out of view of the GoPro. The GoPro was dead straight.
Really?
Gone. He was gone. So, all right, good luck. Be careful.
Thank you.
right, guys, I appreciate y'all coming out and helping tonight. This was fun, but disappointing. Disappointing is a good word. So we did get a data log on this pass though, and you can see it's doing the same thing. It's going out there and knocking the tire off. And I mean, as soon as it gets out there and rolls, I mean, it comes up on the converter good, leaves good, and then right there the converter bites. The converter grabs, at 6,200 RPM, and that's when the tires go, I'm not happy, we can't do this. And so, I mean, we got a decent amount of time in there. I mean, it's 32 degrees of timing and 15 pounds of boost. So I don't know, we gotta do something. The first pass, it went down, but it went down slow. It didn't go but a 139 60 foot, 136 60 foot. So I mean, it was just slow though. I mean, it was a turtle. But was that, I can't believe we didn't get a graph on that one. And now we're out here, it's dark, it's late, everybody's leaving, and we can't make another pass. So I guess we're going to just have to try to make a pass on Saturday and see actually what happens. If my plan, I got to get this so that this is more gradual and it doesn't try to tug on the motor so hard. I don't know, maybe I could pull a bunch of timing out there. I guess I could, I don't know. I mean, I at this point, I don't know what to do. Feeling going to Piedmont tomorrow or not. We need to rotate tires from side to side. I mean, that's always something good to do. So we're going to do that at some point. So it's going to be interesting. But we got to figure it out. I mean, nose is coming up and it's riding, and then, I mean, it gets on that boost curve and it just knocks it off. Later. Well, that wraps it up. I want to wish a happy birthday to my buddy Nick Westbrook too. He turned 40 years old today. So he's an old guy now, but he hangs out with us sometimes. He hasn't been to the track in a while. But happy birthday, Nick. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all soon. Go fast and get some wind lights. We're getting kicked in the teeth everywhere we go. So we're going to try to do something different this weekend. Going to Piedmont Dragway. Y'all come see us. Later.